Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Cruze key fob here. It works for these models and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is press this button over here, and when you press it this way you'll be able to open your mechanical key over here, this key. So when you open this mechanical key right here with this hole, it will be easier. So now you need to remove this back piece right here, this piece, and the easiest way to remove it is right with your fingers. Just hold this and just push up, and this way with your fingers you can very easily remove this back piece from here. So when you remove this back piece by pushing it with your fingers, right after that here you will zero that battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy. Just take your small flat screwdriver and with the tip insert here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take this piece again, make sure you align it perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together. And when you snap them together like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.